Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a couple weeks, but I'm going to be posting more regularly. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone for watching my videos and taking interest in my career. And to all the new viewers to my channel, if you could like and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. It would help me a lot. Thanks. My first two tournaments in Europe were both in France. The first was in Gonesse, which was just outside of Paris, and the second was in Le Havre, which was on the coast. Both of these tournaments were on indoor clay. It was pretty hard to film because there's not really anywhere to place the camera behind the courts. The first week in Gonesse, I had a pretty good win against a good junior from France, and second round lost to a Ukrainian who was in pretty good form. The second week in Le Havre, I lost a tough 3-set match first round. After France, I flew directly to Las Palmas in the Canary Islands, where they have 4 weeks of tournaments in a row. Hey everyone. It is April 3rd, Wednesday. I'm walking from my Airbnb to the hotel to get the shuttle. As you can see, it's still dark out. It's 7 a.m. It's my first match here today in the Canary Islands. So, wish me luck. First round, I played a wild card from Spain. I was just trying to focus on my returns because I've been working on my returns a lot more and trying to use the width of the court as much as possible. Sometimes playing a wild card can be tricky because there's usually no footage of them online to scout, so the beginning of the match you're just trying to figure out what her tendencies are, what her strengths and weaknesses are. I finally got my GoPro out to record my matches, so it's definitely much clearer, but the other problem I have is the battery life is terrible, and basically after an hour or so, it just shuts off. So if anyone has any advice, please let me know in the comment section below. As you can see here from the shaking of the camera and the flags in the background, it was a pretty gusty day today. It was swirling around a little bit, but mostly going down from one end of the court to the other. On days like this, you just have to be aware of where the wind is blowing, and you have to play a little differently depending on which end of the court you're on. Just got done with my first match, won 6-0, 6-3. Played pretty well. I don't know if you can hear, but it's quite windy now. It wasn't this windy in my match, thank God. But very happy to get the win in the first round. First round for me is always pretty nerve-wracking, so it's nice to get through. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Playing my second round today. Once again, it's 7 a.m. Walking to the hotel from my Airbnb to get the shuttle. Still dark again. But excited for today. Just want to play free and play my game and enjoy the competition. So, wish me luck. In this match, I played a girl from Germany. Her career high was in the mid 300s, so I knew it was going to be a tough match. She started off really strong. She was returning well and was really feeling her forehand angle. The final score of that match was 6-1, 6-4 to Werner. But we added another point to my ranking, so we're moving in the right direction. The plan now is to play as many points and sets as possible and get ready for week 2 in the Canary Islands.